All right, we're going to start by removing these two external screws on the battery pack. It would remove the battery pack and set that aside. And then now we'll remove these four external screws on the main housings. So focusing on this front housing assembly, we're going to start by unscrewing the two internal screws. And with those unscrewed, we can remove this internal bracket. We'll set that aside for now and keep it. We also want to remove the display here. So just pull up on the board. It all comes out in one piece. And we'll set this aside for later as well. Now we'll take out the display foam, this upper gasket, and the housing itself. Set all of that aside and grab our replacements here. So we'll start by putting the upper gasket in place. We're going to want to set that at the top like so, pressing down on all points to make sure that it is properly assembled to the housing, and it should lay flat and secure like so. We'll then place in the display foam, aligning it such that it lays flat within the housing. And then back to our display assembly. We want to align this within the rubber bumpers of the front housing. If that lays down flat, then we just push on the bottom end of the board here to lock that into place. Finally, to reinsert the bracket, we have these two posts at the top here. We want to align those with the holes in the front housing. Push those down into place like so. And then torque these two internal screws to the torque value listed in the product manual. From here, we'll just line up the front and back housings together and tighten down these four external screws to the torque value listed in the product manual. And then just insert the battery pack like so and power down the unit when it turns on. Just need to torque down these two external screws to that value listed in the product manual.